Hi.
Hi.
My name is Maha.
I am Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. So today I'm gonna do a 24-hour dietary recall. So like from Wednesday midnight to Thursday midnight, I'm just gonna record what you ate.
Okay.
Okay. And so just list off all the foods that you remember, top of your head, no specific order. Okay.
Okay. I had oatmeal and 2% and milk and a banana and I had a little Twix bar.
Twix bar.
I had a glass of milk. I had, oh gosh, what was that now? Oh, I remember now. It was like a rib, barbecue rib, and some, I think it was brown rice steamed, and a little thing of chili beans. Am I going too fast?
No,
slow down.
Go ahead.
And I had a green, like mixed greens, and I had it was said it was a fruit salad, but it was really like iceberg greens mixed with apple pieces and pineapple pieces.
Okay.
And there was shredded carrot in there too.
Okay.
And then I had watermelon and more pineapple. Oh. And glass of water. 2 glasses of water.
Okay.
And then I had, that was lunch. What did I have for dinner? Oh, I had a tall Starbucks caramel macchiato. No, salted caramel macchiato tall at 5:30.
Oh, okay.
And at 7 o'clock, I had a few bites of a pulled pork sandwich.
A few bites. Okay.
And then at 9 o'clock, I had a few more bites.
Of the same sandwich?
Yes, the same sandwich. And then at 10 o'clock, no, 10:40, I had a shot of oh wait, sorry.
No, go ahead.
10 o'clock, 10:40, I had a shot of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's whiskey with some kind of liqueur.
Okay.
And then I had at 11, I had a few sips of something had Malibu rum and pineapple juice in it.
Okay.
And I had 2 glasses of water. And the last drink I had was half of a strawberry daiquiri, and that had rum in it and strawberry syrup and whipped cream on top.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
No, it's okay. Whipped cream. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna go over some forgotten foods list, and just let me know if you had anything that you forgot in there to tell me. Okay? All right. So first one, did you have crackers?
No.
Breads?
No.
Rolls?
No.
Tortillas?
No.
What about any hot or cold?
Just the oatmeal I said in the morning.
Okay. Was that okay? Was that hot?
Yes.
The oatmeal? Okay. All right. And was the milk? Oh, okay. And did you add any vegetables to your sandwich? Or
the pulled pork sandwich I had for dinner. What it was pulled pork on a roll, and I think there was some coleslaw in it. Yeah.
Okay. And okay, did you have any chips?
No.
Candy?
Just the little Twix bar.
Twix bar. Okay. And also, did you have any nuts?
No.
Seeds?
No.
Any fruit?
The fruit I told you at lunchtime. Yeah.
Okay,
just
lunchtime. Okay. And did you have any coffee?
The Starbucks one.
The Starbucks. Okay. And also any soft drinks?
No.
Juices?
No.
No. Beer?
No.
Wine?
No.
Cocktails?
The ones I told you in the evening.
Okay.
Yeah, I listed them
Those
all.
are cocktails. Okay.
Yeah.
And those are, okay. And then brandies?
No.
Okay. And then any other drinks with liquor?
And just the cocktails.
Just the cocktails. Okay. All right. And so I'm just gonna ask you what time or what occasion were you in?
Okay.
At each meal. Okay. And so when you had the oatmeal, did you and the milk and the banana and the Twix bar?
Oh, no. Sorry. I kind of just listed it. The Twix bar and the glass of milk was actually with my lunch. I just kind of read them off when they popped into my head.
Okay, so this was during lunchtime, the Twix bar and the glass of milk? No, it's okay. And then what time did you have this? Well, I was going to ask first, the oatmeal and the milk, was that?
That was breakfast.
Breakfast?
And
okay.
that was 7.
Okay, 7 a.m. Okay. And the banana with the Twix bar?
No, the banana was part of the oatmeal, too.
Oh, the oatmeal.
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay. All right, and that was part of the breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay. And the Twix bar with the glass milk?
That was after, it was at the end of my lunch, yeah.
End of lunch.
And that was about 12 o'clock.
Okay. And it says here the barbecue, the one that you have, barbecue ribs with the brown rice, steamed chili beans, mixed greens. Would those be on during lunchtime also, or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, those were during lunch.
Okay. And for the iceberg beans with the apple, pineapple pieces?
That was also during lunch.
Okay, so those are all lunchtime? Okay.
Yeah. It's gonna go lunch up until including the water. It was till the pork sandwich. The pork sandwich was dinner.
Okay, so up to the 2 glasses of water.
Yeah.
Lunch. Okay. And the tall Starbucks coffee.
That was a snack at 5:30.
Okay. Okay. And so and for the sandwich?
That was at 7.
Okay.
And I guess that was dinner. It's not really how I do dinner, but
Okay.
it was kind of like I didn't know when I was going to eat next because the girls wanted to go out, and I was like, I should eat something now, but I wasn't hungry, so.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just a weird timing.
Okay. And then you said at 9 p.m. you also had a
I had
few
a few
more
more
bites,
bites because
right?
I thought we were leaving at 7:30, and then we were waiting around, so I just went back and got some more.
Okay. And then finally, you said at 10:40 you had the cinnamon toast whiskey liquor.
Yes.
You said it was a cocktail liquor.
It was, I don't know what it was.
Would that be just like part of the dinner then? Or
I would call all those cocktail drinks a snack.
A snack. Okay,
Yeah.
snack time. Okay. And would it be like snack time after dinner, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask you how much you had for each of the meal, like the measurements. Okay. So for the oatmeal, can you tell me like how much you had? Like, can you show me?
I
Like,
had
like a cup or?
Oh, actually no, it might be less. More like that.
Okay. So like 1/3.
Yes.
1/3 cup. Okay. And that's with how much milk did you have also?
I also had. Actually no, I take it back. I think I had this much milk.
Okay. So 1/2 of
Yes.
milk. Okay. And 1/2 of a milk, and then 1/3 of an oatmeal.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And also the banana, it was just one banana.
Yeah, average banana.
All right. And a Twix bar, how?
Okay, it was like I think they're called the mini size.
Oh, okay. Do you know how many inches?
We'll just say
Or
2 inches.
2 inches. Okay. Twix. Okay, and the glass of milk. It was.
I'm pretty sure it was 8 ounces. I mean, it was like a full glass.
Okay. Okay, and the barbecue rib.
It was. Oh, that was kind of big. Like let's say 2 of these.
2 of those. Okay. All right.
Turn over the camera.
So okay. Okay. And also the brown rice.
That was that much.
Okay. So
Half a cup.
Oh, half a cup. All right. And you said it was steamed, right?
Yes.
Okay. And also the mixed greens, was that?
That was like this much.
That much. Okay. So, all right. Okay. And how was that prepared?
Just fresh greens. It was just like, different lettuce types.
Okay. Just fresh.
Yeah.
Okay. And also, okay. And you also had the pineapple. Those were all mixed, right? Pineapple pieces?
It was just a little mixed salad, and it was
Mixed
about
salad.
this much.
Okay. About 1/3?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And also the watermelon and pineapple, is that together with it, or?
I had about a cup of pineapple
Okay.
and 1/3 cup of watermelon.
Okay. All right. And so you had 2 glasses of water after that. And the Starbucks,
Tall size. No, nothing was added.
okay.
Yeah, I mean, it was just the traditional salted caramel mocha.
Okay. And
Decaf.
decaf. Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. All right. Decaf. All right. And also on the sandwich, how was it prepared?
I have no idea. It was from a food truck called, I think it was like Bacon Mania or something.
Bacon
And
Mania?
I just remembered the pork, barbecue sauce, coleslaw. And
Okay.
there was some kind of spicy dressing on it.
Can you show me like the measurement of maybe the meat?
The meat, I mean, because I didn't eat the whole thing. So like, if I was just like talking about what I ate, it would be probably like a total of this.
Okay, so 3 ounce. Okay. Do you remember how many like barbecue sauce it was in there, or?
No, off of what I ate, I would say, because I didn't have a lot, 2 of those, 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Yeah, and that was barbecue sauce / some kind of spicy, like white sauce. I'm guessing like Thousand Island, but I don't know. I don't know what it was.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then also when after that dinner you had the liquor cinnamon toast. Do you know how many glasses?
That was just a shot.
A shot. Okay.
Yes. And
Shot. Okay, and also would you
the rum and pineapple.
The rum and the pineapple.
That was just like 2 sips.
Okay. And also 2 glasses of water, right?
Yes.
And also for the strawberry daiquiri.
That was a half of it I drank.
Okay.
And about a tablespoon of whipped cream.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna read off what you had, okay?
Okay.
And just let me
Okay,
if I miss anything.
go ahead and read
So I had oatmeal, and you had it hot. It was breakfast during 7 a.m. It was 1/3 cup of oatmeal and 1/2 cup of milk, which you had. And also for lunch, it was end of lunch. You said it was banana, Twix bar, and a glass milk, and 1 banana, 2-inch of Twix, and 8 ounces of milk. The barbecue short ribs, you had 4 ounces, and then also you had 1/2 cup of brown rice steamed, and then the chili beans, and then you also had 1 cup mix of greens, the mixed greens, which was prepared fresh. The icebergs with green apple and a pineapple you said it was 1 cup, and the watermelon pineapple and 2 glasses of water, and also the coffee and you also had that was decaffeinated, and also the sandwich, right? And you don't remember how it was prepared. It was from a truck. It was 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce with that, with 3 ounces of ham. And also you had in the evening a shot of liquor, 2 sips of the rum pineapple drink, and 2 glasses of water, and 1/2 cup of strawberry with also a tablespoon of whipped cream.
No, the half a cup of strawberry. It was half a cup of the daiquiri I had. I just said there was strawberry syrup in there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, okay. And is that it?
That is it.
Right? Okay. Yeah. Thank you for coming today. Appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.